Hello amazing coders, welcome back to our channel. Today we are talking about loops and conditional statements which are the backbone of any program. Well, not only break down that what they are but also take through you some flowcharts to visualize how they work. So let's get coding. Come, let's talk about condition. Condition in coding are like making decision in real life. For example, if it is raining, you decided to take an umbrella. If it is sunny, you decided to take your sunglasses. In programming, condition help us to decide which path the code should take based on whether a statement is true or false. Let's start with if-else statement. If-else statement allows you to execute a block of code when a condition is true and another block when it is false. Think of them choosing between two options. If you are at an ice cream shop and you want to buy a chocolate ice cream, you say if they have chocolate, I will buy it. Else, I will get vanilla. Simple, right? No? Okay. Let's see how it works. Imagine you are into an ice cream shop. See, this is the starting point. It is an ice cream shop. Ice cream shop. Okay. Do you have an ice cream? It is the condition. Do you have an ice cream? It is the ice cream. Yes path is getting the chocolate ice cream. Chocolate. And no path is vanilla ice cream. Okay. Ending is you will enjoy the ice cream. Enjoy. Here, imagine yourself walking into an ice cream shop. You ask, do you have an ice cream chocolate? If it is true means the code comes to an end and return the answer. What answer? You leave the shop happy with your choice. If no means you buy a vanilla ice cream instead. If the no means no block executed and come to an end. I hope you understand this. How works if else statement? Okay. Now let's see multiple if-else statement. Multiple if-else statement are used when we have more than one condition to check. Now, imagine if there are more flavors, you would say use multiple if-else statement. It's like saying if they have chocolate, I'll get. Else if they have strawberry, I'll get. Else if they have mango and so on. See, this is the multiple condition. In this first condition, you get chocolate, and second condition, you will get vanilla, and third condition, you will get strawberry, and so on. Here also the same. This is the ice cream shop, and this is the chocolate flavor, and this is strawberry, and this is vanilla. If the chocolate flavor available means the work first condition of action is running and come to an end. If there is no means execute to second condition. It's check if it is available is in strawberry. The second condition runs and come to an end. If the second condition also false means it comes to third condition and check whether if it is available in vanilla or not. Vanilla available means the third condition runs. Otherwise, the else conditions run. Else, it is no available. Action is false. This is the multiple if else statement. I hope you You clearly understand that you have the multiple if else statement. I repeat it once again. You enter a shop again with a big list of options. Do you have a chocolate? It is the condition one. Do you have a chocolate? If yes, buy a chocolate. If no means next condition is comes. Do you have strawberry? If means it's go to end. If there is no means come to a other condition as mango. If you buy mango means it's come to an end. If it is not means the else action will run. Okay. Next, let's talk about for loop. It's like counting the number of candies in a jar. You start at 1 and keep going until you count them all. Perfect for when you know exactly how many times something needs to repeat. Okay, it is the syntax for loop. Starting point, initialize the loop and check for condition. If the condition is true, it execute a loop body and update the available loop variable loop. If it is no, it comes to an end. Okay, try to see an example. Start used to begin a counting candies. Counting candles. Count. I put a variable as count. Initialization, set a count as 1. Count equal to 1. It's tell about 1. Condition, if what condition says means is the counter less than or equal to the total candies. The counter less than or equal to the total candies. I give total as n number of candies. Yes path. If yes, pick up a candy and increase the counter. If yes means pick up the candy and increase the counter as 1 means plus 1 equal to 2. Update to move to next and update the variable as 2 and move to the next candy and after repeat the condition. Keep looking until you have counted all the candies until it's come true. If no path, stop counting and enjoy your candies. If no path, it's end and show enjoy your candies. Here, understand understand clearly. Counting candies. Beginning counting candies. Set as variable as 1. Is the counter less than or equal to the total candy? Yes, path is run. Yes, and update the variable. Move to the next candy. If it is not, it comes to an end. I hope you understand the for loop. Okay. Now let's talk about while loop. While loop continues to execute as long as the condition remains true. A while loop is like eating popcorn at the movies. You keep munching as long as there's popcorn left in the bowl. You don't know exactly how much you will eat, but you'll stop when it's empty. Let's see and let's see how it is work. It is the full bowl of popcorn. Full bowl of popcorn. The condition what says means is there still popcorn in the bowl? It's check popcorn is full or empty. The condition check full or empty. If your yes spots how works means grab some popcorn and eat it. If you have the popcorn means yes spots works. You grab and eat and go to the condition to next part. Check again if there is more popcorn. If no, the bowl is empty and stop eating. If there is no, it comes to an end and stop eating. Start point. you have full bowl of popcorn and condition is there still popcorn in the bowl. Yes path, grab some popcorn and eat. Repeat check if there's more popcorn, and no path, the bowl is empty and stop eating. When you use for loop and while loop, okay, I'll give a quick tip. Use for loop when you know the exact number of times something should happen, like counting stars. Use a while when the number of iteration isn't fixed, like eating popcorn until the bowl is empty. For loop is used when you know how many times the loop is run. While loop is run when you know how many times, when you don't know how many times the loop is run. I hope you understand for when you use for loop and while loop. Now let's see about do while loop. A do while loop will always execute a code at least once because the condition is checked after the code block is executed. The do while loop is like convincing yourself to go for run. Even if you are lazy, you will tell yourself, okay, let's do one lap around the block and then decided if want more. Okay. Here also we see with example, starting point, you put on running shoes. You put on running shoes. Run shoes. Okay. Action, one lap for executing the body. It is an action. Action means one run one lap around the block. Run one lap around the block. Condition. What's the condition says? If yes, run another lap. If you are able to run another lap means the condition runs ahead. If no, head back home and come to relax. If you are not able to run means it ends. The loop will ends. Okay. The starting point is you put on your running shoes. Action means run one lap around the block. Condition, do you feel like running more? If yes means run another lap. If no means head back and come to the home. Continue as long you want more lap. If you want means continues the loop. You finish your run means feel great. It is the end point. what what are the difference between while loop and do while loop? The while loop checks the condition first before executing the block of code. The do while loop execute the block of code at least once before checking the condition. Okay, let's compare while loop and do while loop with a fun example. Suppose you are trying a new dish. While loop. You check the recipe first and see if you want to try it. If it looks good, you cook it. If not, you skip it. Do while. You take a bite first, no matter what, and then decide if you want more. So you are tasting it at least once before deciding. Okay, what's the flow chart explains? While loop, while loop starts, sorry, while loop start by checking the recipe. Condition, does if it's a good look means you cook it. It's in yes path. If you know means you skip it. It is in no path. If it is yes means the code execute when till the end. If it is no means the code stop immediately. Okay. Okay. Do I loop start by taking a bite. Action means take a bite, take a dish. Condition, condition, what the condition checks. Do you like it? It asks, do you like it? If yes means the action will runs, you have more. If it is no means stop eating and come to an end. You decided whether the continue or stop based on your experience. If it is good means you have to continue. If it is not means you have to end to decide. end your experience. Okay, and that's a wrap for today's coding adventure. I hope these examples and flowcharts made loops and conditional statement easier to understand. If you have any questions or want to be more fun coding tutorials, drop down them in comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep coding and stay awesome. Thank you. I'll see you next video. Bye bye.